Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is KYC. So know your customer. As simple as that. We line up the letters as always, then C. So we find K on the screen, long press, tap, long press, long press, tap, long press, that is K. Then Y, it's long press, tap, long press, long press, long press, tap, long press, long press. Then we find C. C is here, long press, tap, long press, tap, long press, tap, long press, tap. That is C right here. So then we get the phone and we enter in the Morse code. As always, click here in the middle until this button turns red. Then we put in K, say long press, tap, long press, that's K. Then Y, long press, tap, long press, long press, that's Y. Then C, long press, tap, long press, tap. As simple as that. The word is KYC. Know your customer. Lastly, click on take the price. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.